Hello. Question 21. Find V1, V2, Ix, Iy, Iz from given circuit. In a given circuit, V1 and V2 form supernode. Solution. We use nodal analysis and KCL law to solve this problem. 5 ampere equal to V1 upon 1 ampere plus 2 ampere plus V2 upon 1 ampere. So V1 plus V2 equal to 3 volt and Ix equal to V1 upon 1 ampere and V2 minus V1 equal to Ix volt. So V2 equal to 2 V1. You put the value of Ix equal to V1 here. And Ix equal to V1 upon 1 equal to 1 ampere and Iz equal to V2 upon 1 ohm, this equal to 2 ampere, and Iy equal to Iz plus 2 ampere. We put the value of Iz equal to 2 ampere, so Iy equal to 4 ampere. So our answer is V1 equal to 1 volt, V2 equal to 2 volt, Ix equal to 1 ampere, Iy equal to 4 ampere, Iz equal to 2 ampere. Okay, thank you.